Connecting a Linksys router to your Spectrum modem enhances your home Wi-Fi. There are two primary methods, DHCP and bridge mode. DHCP mode is the default and simpler method. In DHCP mode, your Linksys router acts as a DHCP server, automatically assigning IP addresses to your devices. This is generally sufficient for most users. However, it can sometimes lead to double NAT if your Spectrum modem is also acting as a router, potentially causing issues with port forwarding for gaming or other applications. Bridge mode, on the other hand, disables the routing capabilities of your Spectrum modem, turning it into a simple pass-through device. This allows your Linksys router to manage all network traffic and IP addresses, avoiding double NAT issues and potentially improving performance, especially for online gaming. Use a Cat6 Ethernet cable to connect the modem's LAN port to the router's WAN internet port for either setup. For DHCP mode, connect an Ethernet cable from the Spectrum modem's LAN port to your Linksys router's WAN or internet port. Power on both the modem and router, allowing them to fully boot up. The Linksys router should automatically detect the Spectrum modem and obtain an IP address via DHCP. Access the Linksys app or web interface at 192.168.1.1 to configure your Wi-Fi settings, including network name, password, and WPA3 security. For bridge mode, start by connecting the Ethernet cable from the modem's LAN port to the router's WAN port. Open a web browser and navigate to 192.168.100.1 to access the Spectrum modem's admin panel. Log in with default credentials, find the bridge mode setting, and enable it. Also, disable the modem's DHCP server. The Linksys router will now manage all IP addressing and routing functions. Configure your Wi-Fi settings on the Linksys router using the same method as in DHCP mode. Power cycle both devices after changes. If you experience connectivity issues, reset both to factory defaults and try again. Spectrum's app offers guided setup tutorials.